experiments and try to find out. An empty bowl, that is katori, floats on water. Now let's see what happens on putting pebbles in it. 1. It floats. 2. It floats. 3. It floats. 4. It's floating. 5. It's floating. 6. It's floating. 7. It sinks. A nail sinks in water. A matchstick floats on water. An empty plastic bottle with its lid closed floats on water. Now I'm going to fill it half with water with its lid closed. It's floating on water. Now I'm going to fill it full with water and lid closed. It's floating, but after some time it sinks. It sinks in water. An aluminium foil spread out floats on water. An aluminium foil made into ball floats on water. An aluminium foil in the shape of katori also floats on water. A soap case floats on water. A soap case with soap also floats on water. A soap alone sinks in water. An ice cube floats on water. Mark right for the things that float, mark wrong for those that sink. Now there are 3 columns. Things to be put in water, I guessed before I did it, and I saw when I did it. Empty bowl or katori, I guessed it will float and it floated. After putting in 6 to 7 pebbles one by one, I guessed it will sink and it sank. Iron nail or pin, I guessed it will sink and it sank. Matchstick, I guessed it will float and it floated. Empty plastic bottle with its lid closed, I guessed it will float and it floated. Bottle half filled with water, it floated. Bottle full of water, I guessed it will sink and it sank. Aluminium foil from medicine packing, open and spread out, I guessed it will float and it floated. Pressed tightly into a ball, I guessed it will sink but it floated. In a cup-like shape, I guessed it will float and it floated. Soap cake, I guessed it will sink and it sank. Soap cake on a small plastic plate, I guessed it will sink but it floated. A piece of ice, I guessed it will float and it floated. After doing the experiment, fill in the blanks. The iron nail sinks in water but the katori floats. I think this happened because the weight of the iron nail is more than the weight of the displaced water. The weight of the katori is less than the weight of the water displaced by it. Next, the empty plastic bottle floated on water. The bottle filled with water sank because the weight of the empty plastic bottle is less than the weight of the water displaced by it, and the weight of the bottle filled with water is more than the weight of the water displaced by it. The aluminium foil floated when it was spread out. When pressed tightly into a ball, it floated or may sink. This may happen because the weight of the spread out aluminium foil is less than the weight of the water displaced by it. The weight of the aluminium ball is also less than the weight of the water displaced by it. It may sink depending on the aluminium foil of the medicine packaging.